Second problem is second solution what we are giving is a semaphore. Again here we are using two operations or calls, system call. Already we have discussed as system call. One is wait system call, another one is a signal system call. Just listen the or just imagine the traffic police. He will operate any one of the operation like this. Okay, either he will ask some persons to wait, or he will ask another set of persons to signal. Signal means what? They can go. Imagine a traffic policeman asking or performing both operation, wait and the signal means what will happen? Okay, from eastern side, one road is there. He is showing his hand towards eastern side. Both stop, and the signal means it will be a collapse. Correct? If east side persons are asked to stop, west side persons are asked to come. That is what process P1 and P2. Okay, if you are asking P2 to wait, we will ask P1, we will signal P1 to come. That's all. That is the actual meaning of this semaphore. So wait signal, what it will do? Wait for S to become positive, then decremented by 1. Okay, S means semaphore. Okay. Here this capital S indicates semaphore, not signal. Okay. Wait for semaphore to become positive. Already no process is there means it will wait until it become positive. Positive means what? One process is arriving means that will be signal to enter into critical section, so that semaphore value will become decremented by 1. Signal means what? Incremented by 1, like producer and the consumer. Okay, when producer is doing the job, he will increment the counter value. Consumer will decrement the counter value. Okay, so signal means what? One process is coming, so incrementing the semaphore value. Wait means what? I'm asking other persons to wait and entering into critical section, so that will be decremented by 2. So here we are having one counting semaphore, type of semaphore called the counting semaphore, which is having an integer value that can range unrestricted. That means what? There is no any restricted range for the particular variable. You can have any number of values. At the same time, binary semaphore is another type of semaphore which can hold integer value that can range only between 0 and 1, which is our previous problem, two process solution. Okay, so that only here also we are having 0 and 1. So for this critical section, we are going to apply binary semaphore only, not counting semaphore. Because I'm using only two operations, wait and the signal, I'm using two process P1 and P2. Okay, see the example here. Consider P1 and P2 requires S1 to happen before S2. Okay, listen carefully. P1 is a process which is using the value of semaphore, okay, which is using the value of semaphore, signal for synchronization, then it will get the resources. Okay, signal for synchronization means what? Mutual exclusion, already we have discussed. Okay, asking the semaphore value, and the signaling for synchronization means what? It is asking other process to wait, or other process will ask this process to wait and use the resources. Already we have discussed mutual exclusion means what? When one process is executing in its critical section, other process not allowed to enter into critical section. Same concept here. Signaling synchronization means what? I am going to enter into the critical section. Then after entering in the critical section, I will use the resources. This will be done by process P1. See what process P2 is doing. What process P2 is doing? Wait for the synchronization. So first it will ask wait, because here P1 is performing signal means P2 is performing wait. Okay, P1 is performing signal means P2 will automatically perform wait synchronization only. Okay. Now it will check whether more resources are available or not. Synchronization greater than 0 or not. Okay. Then it will take the value of its semaphore. Okay. I think